Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I have to share with you this adorable little planter. Now, I think that the features are so cute, but the aspect of no matter what plant you put in, the hair will be different. I love that. The delicate features on her face with the eyelashes and the rosy cheeks, that little bit of a blush color painted in on the spots like the shoulders and the elbows, the cheeks, the lips, I think is so great. But the earthy vibe is also awesome because you get the little puckering from the material. There is that drainage hole at the bottom. We like to set ours in a little dish, one that matches kind of nice. You can actually decorate it around. Now, even if your plant dies, what you can change it to whatever greenery or anything you want, a succulent, one that looks like maybe rope braids or anything like that, it would be really cool. But the more the plant grows, that hair growth is there. I think she's super cute and just a very calming vibe. I love it. I know you will too. And that's my point of view.